These baked beans aren't for the horses.
Because they're sweet, savory, creamy, and delicious. All right, now let's sizzle that sausage up in the pan. Let's add 2 of those big old cans of baked beans to the pot. A little pineapple ain't never hurt nobody. Put it on in there. Don't forget about that sausage now. Chop that sausage up into itty bitty pieces and put it on in the pan. That's sugar. Be careful with that cinnamon now. Too much spoil the whole pan. Stir to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. Now, kick up your knees because it's ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it. See you real soon.